morning, children. Today we are going to learn about money. Money is important, you know. If you want to buy things, money is very important. And we are going to learn about rupees and paisa also, beta. The coins. I'm sure you must have seen these coins. So today we are going to learn a lot about rupees and paisa, and I'm going to show you some paisa which you have not seen. Like a 5 paisa coin, a 10 paisa coin, 20 paisa coin, you must not have seen. But if you ask your parents, they have used it also. So today we are going to learn more about paisa and rupees. Let's start.
After studying so much about Kiran and how she earns money, come on, children, let us see and learn something about Indian currency. Okay, so currency is a new word which you are learning. Currency means the notes and the coins which we use to buy different articles. Most of you may not have seen these coins which have been shown here. Now, this I'm sure all of you would be familiar with. This is 1 rupee coin. This you may not have seen ever. This is 1 paisa coin. Can you see? Here it is written 1 paisa. This is 5 paisa. Now this is Paise. Paise is plural of paisa. Since it is more than one, so it is written 5 paise. This is 5 paise coin. This is 10 paise coin, 20 paise, 25 paise, and 50 paise. Children, these coins you don't get to see very often these days. You know why? Because things have become expensive. We do not get anything if we have 10 paise or 20 paise. But these coins were used a few years back. Now 1 rupee has got 100 paise. Like children, years is a big unit of time and months is a small unit of time. 1 year has 12 months. Similarly, beta, rupee 1 has 100 paise. And this is the symbol for rupee. Okay, let's study a little more about rupees and paise. 25 paisa coins make 1 rupee. Now you must be wondering how I came to this figure 20. So, 1 rupee 1 has 100 paise. And I want to know how many 5 paisa coin will make 100 paise. So, I will divide 100 by 5. 100 will be the dividend and 5 will be the divisor. So 20 is the quotient. It means 20 times 5 is 100. So 25 paisa coins make 100 paisa. So you can do it like this also. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 5 is 20, plus 5 is 25. So in this row, there are 25 paisa, plus 25 paisa is 50 paisa, plus 25 paisa is 75 paisa, plus 25 paisa is 100 paisa. So rupee 1 is 100 paisa or 25 paisa coins. Okay, let's move further. Now, how many 10 paisa coins are there in rupee 1? So we will divide 100 paise by 10 paise. 100 will be the dividend and 10 will be the divisor. Now 10 tens are 100. So 10 will be the quotient. So 10 paisa coins will make 100 paise. Let us see. 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 10 30, plus 10 40, plus 10 50, plus 10 60, plus 10 70, plus 10 80, plus 10 90, plus 10 100. So 10 paisa coins make 1 rupee. Okay. 20 paisa coins. We want to find how many 20 paisa coin make a rupee. So we will divide 100 by 20. 100 will be the dividend and 20 will be the divisor. Now 25 is 100. So 5 will be the quotient. So 5 20 paisa coins will make rupee 1. 20 plus 20 40, plus 20 60, plus 20 80, plus 20 100. So children, 5 20 paisa coins make 1 rupee. 25 paisa coins. If we want to find out how many 25 paisa coin will make a rupee, we will divide 100 by 25. Now 25 fours is 100. So 4 25 paisa coins will make 1 rupee. And similarly, 250 paisa coins will make 1 rupee. 50 plus 50 is 100. 50 paise plus 50 paise will make 100 paise. So 250 paise coins will make 1 rupee. Okay, let's see if it is written on any article that it costs rupees 42.05. This means the cost is rupees 42 and 5 paise. Beta, this is the way to write the amount in rupees and paise. Rupees are written before the point or on the left side of the point. The number which is there, it is the rupees. And on the right hand side, the number which is there is paisa. So if this amount is written, it means 42 rupees and 5 paisa. Because 05 means 5 paisa. Come to this, rupees 17.20. It means 17 rupees and 20 paise. Rupees 245.75. This means 245 are rupees and 75 is the paisa. This means 2,471 are the rupees and 50 is the paisa. So children, this is the way to write the amount of different objects, the cost of different objects. This is how we write. Before the point, we write the rupees, and after the point, we write paisa. Okay. Now we are going to change rupees to paise. Suppose rupee 1, I have already told you, is 100 paisa. Okay. So rupees 2 will be 200 paisa. Rupees 3 will be 300 paisa. Rupees 4 will be 400 paisa. Now children, what we are doing, we are multiplying the rupees by 100. Why are we multiplying rupees by 100? Because in 1 rupee there are 100 paisa. So rupees 2 is 200 paisa, rupees 3 is 300 paisa, and so on. Now, this is how we write the amount. I will teach you a trick to change this amount into paise. Now children, this is rupees 4 and 5 paise. Now you know rupees 4 is 400 paise, and in 400 paise you have to add 5. That will make 405 paise. So children, to change this into paise, you just remove this point beta, and whatever answer is there, that would be paise. So rupees 4 and 5 paise is equal to 405 paisa. So this is how we write 405 paise. Now rupees 17 and 20 paise. If we have to change it into paise, we will just remove the rupees sign and remove this point, and the remaining number we will write down, and this would be 1720 paise. So easy beta. We have just removed the rupees sign and the point, and we have got the paise. Now rupees 45 and 75 paise. How many paise are there in this whole money? So we will remove rupees sign and remove the dot, and the answer would be 4575 paise. See how easy it is? Now rupees 71 and 50 paise is equal to 7,150 paise. Rupees 68 and 25 paisa is equal to 6,825 paise. See children, we have removed the point and we have removed rupees sign. Rupees 102 is equal to 10,200 paise. We just have removed the point and the rupees sign, and we got 10,200 paise, because here we have rupees 102 and 00 paise beta. Okay, let us study how to change paise to rupees. Now in this column we have written paise. Now this is 4,205 paise. Again I will tell you a trick. The trick is, put the point after two digits. You have to count from right hand side. This is the right hand sides. So after ones and tens place, you have to put a point here, beta. So this money will be rupees and this will be paise. So this is 4,205 paisa is equal to rupees 42 and 5 paise. This is how we are supposed to write. 1,720 paise. We will put a point here, beta, after ones and tens place. We will put a point here. It will be rupees 17 and 20 paise. 4,575 paise. We will put a point after two digits. We will put a point here, beta. And the answer would be rupees 45 and 75 paise. 7,150 paise. We will leave ones and tens place and we will put a point here. So this money is rupees 71 and 50 paise. Similarly, 6,825 paise. We will leave ones and tens place and we will put a point here. So this money is rupees 68 and 25 paise. 10,200 paise. We will leave these two digits, the digits on ones and tens place, and we will put a point here after 2. And this money is rupees 102 and 0 paise. See, children, it is very easy. You just need to learn the trick. But you need to understand, beta, that 1 rupee is 100 paise. This you should never forget, beta. So that's all for today, children. We learned how to convert paisa to rupees, rupees to paisa, and we saw so many coins. Okay, children, thank you and have a nice day.